Yeah, so this is the unboxing for the Grand City Media products titled Twisted Love. If you don't know what that is, Grand City Media, they have a multitude of products such as different shows on Roku TV that help spotlight artists around the globe, not just in the US, around the globe. And yeah, let's see. These are their blunt wraps. Make sure you peep them out on Roku TV, Grand City TV. You know what I mean? It's on the app. It's online. If you got Roku, make sure you peep it out. You feel me? You can also scan that from here. You can scan it from here. Go ahead, get your scan on. Feel me? Go ahead, scan it. Scan it. Show some love to my peoples, as they always showing love to me, whether I'm supporting or not. They've always shown love to me, Grand City. I'm gonna hand a couple of these out around my city. Feel me? And if you ain't know, this is Christmas Eve. I would have did this yesterday, but I was busy with my family doing our little Christmas party and all that. You know what I mean? But yeah, peep that. Twisted Love blunt wrap from Grand City TV, Grand City Media. Twisted Love, all natural, slow burning, premium brown hemp blunt wrap. Yeah, I mean, got the GCM at the bottom once it focuses. Grand City Mafia, you can scan that too. Feel me? That Twisted Love Premium Blunt. I'm about to twist one of these up right now. You know what I mean? But I'll get back to y'all with another video of me rolling one and smoking one to give you, yeah, I mean, let y'all know how it's hitting, what it's hitting for. This was the unboxing. I'm glad y'all got to see my Rice Krispies treats and some of my cookies and shit. But I'm up out of here. Merry Christmas to all y'all. Thank you, Grind City and the Button Pusher, DJ Who the F Ever, Grind Win, you know what I mean? Fucks with y'all, I'm gonna keep fucking with y'all. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get some more of these later on. Gotta get these in some of the dispensaries around here, feel me? But yeah, all love.